welcome back to the channel. As you guys could already tell, this was the big surprise. Today's the day I'm gonna reveal what's happening with the car. From you guys could tell from the title of this video, I don't know what I'm gonna title the video yet, but what we're about to get into is what's going down with the car today. Well, not even today. Today's the day that I'm headed to go pick up. I'm talking with my hands because I'm excited. But today's the day that I'm going to go pick up what we're going to be doing to the car this weekend. So some of you guys already know, some of you guys don't, but let's get into it. This right here is a little hint of what's going down this weekend. Look at that. Look at that. Bruh. Serious stuff about to go down. About to take this old one out. That old one right there. I'm about to put the new one in. I'm sitting here with Spiker. He's the one that built the transmission for me. I'm gonna let him break down what happened and everything. So
yeah, so it's a BF gear set in it. Total custom unit. We had to go through and do a lot of custom measurement. It's a prototype that they're working on, so doing a lot of math, figuring out a lot of stuff that we have to move around manually with shims and whatnot this time to get it all set up right and get tolerances in spec. But we have it. It's totally perfect. So Andre's gonna go take it out and beat the crap out of it. We're gonna see how long she lasts and see what happens.
We'll see. If it breaks tomorrow morning, then we're gonna be right.
It's all my fault.
Yeah, it's his fault.
It's not my fault.
But
it's Stott's fault.
But if you guys in Washington, you don't know Spiker have a shop that builds transmission.
Yeah.
What is it?
Translab Performance Transmissions LLC.
And you're out of Seattle. Where are we at? We're in Everett. We're not Seattle. We're way past Seattle. We're fucking in Everett. It's fucking far from where I stay. It's like way out in the boonies. It's like goats and cows and shit out here. No, I'm just playing.
That's alright. No.
Nah.
I gotta go in the backyard.
You got a goat?
No.
Oh shit. I thought you had a goat, man. Alright, so here it is all put together. It looked like he did a good job. I don't know. Spins free.
Yeah. It's dry. It's totally dry. You need to fill it with fluid. Other than assembly fluid on the bearings, the forks are dry, everything's dry. Got your speed factory detents in here. I'll get that for you. Let me take some pictures. Let me be pretty.
Yeah, let's
you got the speed factory detents in there. Modified 5-speed shift selector for a 6-speed set of forks because this thing has a 6th cuff in it. So when you're trying to go into 6th, it hits the cuff. So if you use a 5-speed, 5th gear, 6th gear, 5th gear shift fork, it can't go up enough, so it has to go past 5th because there is no 6th, right? So here's 5th. It can't go into 6th, so you have to use the 6th gear forks to go up and over and get into there.
I'm stoked. Like, I bought him this transmission all taken apart. Like, I wouldn't know how to put that shit back together if I tried. So
I got some pictures.
You got pictures?
It was apart.
All right, send them to me and I'll post them, put them on the video. But it was all taken apart. Looked like he did a good job. So I'll put it back together. I cleaned it, by the way. He didn't clean this.
No, man.
I cleaned this shit.
No, you done good too. And I get some.
Cleaned the shit out of this thing. Wire wheeled it and all that. I was trying to make it look like it was.
It looks good. It looks like you care. It looks like you care. It looks like it ain't never gonna come apart again, but we don't know that ain't right.
We don't know. But yeah, that's his. This is shop. Look him up on Facebook, Instagram.
Don't have Instagram really set up. Mostly Facebook. I don't ever much print. I can't
bro.
handle what I got going on now, man. Shit.
You gotta whore yourself out on the internet.
Everybody knows I'm a hoe. I'm a cheap one.
But yeah, it should do. Hopefully we get it in. Hope for tomorrow.
How much is your car make?
About 6.
6? I think you're gonna be just fine.
Alright, welcome back. Different day. Today is Saturday morning. Today I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna load up the car with all this stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it to get the stuff done. So it's gonna be a long day today. It's early morning right now, but I'm about to get to it. Need to grab these, put them in here. But got all those in there. Gotta throw these boxes in here and move out. Gotta also pick up these sway bars. Those springs are 12K springs. If anybody want them, hit me up. Throw all this stuff in there. All that. I'm getting ready to hit the road. Had the car in the tender for a little bit now, so what we're gonna do, fire this thing up and we're gonna hit the road. So my car used to do this all the time, like all the time. Like if I was driving and I stopped, my car would surge like this. I deleted the freaking idle air control, and then it stopped doing this. It does it like when I first warm it up, but I rev it out, it'll go away. Like. So I did get my anti-lag to work. Zoom out. Which it ain't no cop. But I don't know if it'll work with this low, but I did get it to work from second, so watch. There we go. It's really fucking hard. That shit hits hard from second. But that's probably the last time I'm gonna do that. On this transmission anyways. So yeah. Second, it's at about, let's see what mile an hour it is. Anti-lag. 45 miles an hour. Second gear, 45, and the MR2 hooks. Fucking tires work. Alright, well, we're about to tear down the car, about to get into it, so that's what you're gonna see next, is us tearing down the car. Hopefully put the transmission in there and everything goes well. Wish me luck. Alright, we got everything out from the top side. What we're gonna do is we're using this engine holder shit, whatever it's called, and we're using this to hold the motor up. We took all the mounts off and everything. We're just gonna lift it up, do everything from the bottom, take the bottom mount off, and remove the bottom bolts and the transmission to come right out. We're gonna see how jacked up this clutch is. Remember, it was slipping, so we're gonna see.
I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. Lace up and drip it down, take her wherever, yeah. Say the word and we take trips on with whatever, yeah. Don't bring me down, she build me up, not talking teddy bears. She not Bonnie, I'm not Clyde, but if it needs it down the ride.
Alright, we got it out. Freaking dropped it. Freaking super easy. Actually easier than a freaking front wheel drive car, I think. But it's out. I'm gonna pop this. That clutch looks like it's got a lot of life, but I don't know. Yeah, what he said. Look at that. That wastegate dump tube that fell off. This shit's still in here though. It's like it was never welded. Perfect. Just fell right off. Wonder who welded it. You don't know, huh? I don't know either.
Maybe it was just tacked in there for fitness and somebody
we forgot to. Hey, but nah, we're gonna make another one. We're gonna probably extend this a little bit down past the oil pan so it doesn't fucking, I don't know. It got under here dirty as shit. But it's out. We'll throw the other one back in and freaking put the car back together, change the suspension.
New rear main seal.
Yeah, that's true. Twin disc, new clutch, new rear main, because it was leaking bad. Look at that, it was leaking. I never changed my oil, I just keep throwing oil in here like the regular Honda guys. But we're chipping away, so let's get back to it.
Alright, that was in here?
Yeah, all the bolts and shit should already be in there.
What bolts?
They're all already in there.
Leave that for me. Packing paper. Put a new filter on?
No, not yet. I didn't put the filter on yet.
Put it on.
Put it on, man. Alright, so we got everything out. I'm gonna end up leaving the other stuff on the other transmission. I'm gonna throw a new bracket on there. Clean all this stuff up. Twin disc. Go in. Gotta clean those bolts up to put back in. Got a new rear main. 'Cause mine was leaking bad. Like I never changed it. I was a dumbass. Never put the new one in there. Freaking drained the oil. Gotta put a new filter on. So get that knocked out, and then get the transmission back up. Then we're gonna take these old suspension off and put the new ones on. So we're almost there. Like we just started. We started like about probably like 11. And it's like, let me focus, 11:56 right now. It's almost noon. So motor's holding up. I'm gonna fix this wastegate dump. Well, probably leave this one. It dumps low enough, but it dirties up everything under here. Like all this shit right here is dirty. Probably need to go lower with it. All right, got the transmission in. Freaking, we're doing work. Like I said, it's 11:30, and we got the transmission in there. Gonna lower it. Gonna test it to see if everything's spinning. But transmission was super easy to change. That clutch is toast. This one, that shit is toasted. You could tell it was slipping bad. Like all this side is completely glassed over. I don't know. It's got a lot of life left on it. But as far as like flywheel, pressure plate, it's all toast. We ended up getting the twin disc on there. I got it in. I don't even remember if I recorded that, but gonna change all the fluid as well while I'm here. So all that, like obviously new transmission fluid, but I gotta put new oil and stuff in there. So I'm gonna lower it. I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna test the transmission to make sure everything goes into gear and all that before we button everything up. That's the only thing about center exit. Got an MR2 trying to go center exit. Remember, shit's gonna be dirty as this little engine. Oh snap! I think I went too low. The car sitting on the ground. This little engine support bar comes in handy. It's a little Harbor Freight special. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw fluid in here and see if it works. Was it in neutral or?
Well, I was doing a second gear.
Oh, it was spinning. Transmission in, everything's working like it's supposed to so far, so we'll get the car back together and change all the other stuff. Got everything up here back together. Just gotta put everything back together underneath the car. Probably wash it after. Put everything underneath the car back together. You're gonna walk right in my video, bro. Damn, bro. Wow. Then now what we're gonna do is put the sway bar on this. Put it back in the car. Throw these back on the car. Some meat. So we end up getting the suspension on. The front, got the rear. We put these in this little hole. This morning, I don't know how the fuck this happened, but I was pulling into the driveway and this got caught up. Shit, to open my trunk. I mean my, guess it's the trunk. But it got caught up and the tire ripped it out. All the way from inside the car. Look right there, it like ripped the hole like right through that shit. I don't know how the hell that happened, but oh well. About to ghetto fabulous it, I guess. But suspension is on, transmission is in, car got fluids. We about to go test it here in a bit. Car's working, we're in it, and we're gonna test it out right now. See how it is. once again, thanks everybody for watching. I know this was a short video. I didn't finish the installation on the transmission, but that is definitely coming in the next video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Stay updated on what's happening on my channel. I don't upload a lot, and that's because I'm trying to upload more quality over quantity. So if I start just uploading all kind of BS, you guys will lose interest, and I'm not trying to have that. I know I do have you guys wait some time, but maybe here in the near future I'll start uploading more. But I appreciate everybody that subscribed, and I appreciate everyone that's here grinding it out with me and coming back every week when I upload. I try to upload on Sunday nights, so you guys can look out for that. But tonight ain't Sunday night, but I'm uploading anyway because I haven't uploaded since last week. So I appreciate you guys, man. Come back, check me out. Peace.